Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, in this occasion, I am RAHUL DEVNANZAR NZ and my friend
RAIHAN MAULIDA. We would like to present our final project in the title is Data Compression on Grayscale Image using Run-Length Encoding Methods or RLA. What is RLA methods? RLA or Run-Length Encoding is the one of the simple lossless type of data compression scheme and is based on simple data encoding principle. The run-length encoding method is very suitable for compressing data with repeating character. Examples are simple graphic image, animation, and icon.
What is Grayscale Image? Grayscale Image is an image that only has a gray level color. The use of Grayscale Image is because it requires less information given to each pixel compared to color image. The gray color in Grayscale Image is RGB, which has the same intensity, so that in Grayscale Image only require a single intensity value compared to color image, which require 3 intensity for each pixel. Okay, this is flowchart data compression on Grayscale Image using RLA method. Alright, the first start input file image, then is the image black and white. If not, then he enters the process of input image file black white and they enter the question if yes, then he enters the process of reading the image intensity value, then enter the question is there repeating intensity value, otherwise he will enter into the non-repeating ignore intensity process, and if yes, then he will enter the process of coded intensity value repeatedly, then enter the data file process, enter the process read the encoded intensity value, then comes the question are the intensity value encoded, otherwise ignore uncoded intensity, and if yes, then enter the encoded intensity value encoded process, output file image and selesai. End.
The next slide is program, and this program have 8 parts. The first part is show UI image chooser, and the function this part is to call up a dialog box that is used to retrieve the required file. And next is second part. So the function of the second part is to read the image to the MATLAB variable and identify its dimensions. And the next is third part is variable container for compressed image. So the function of this part is to accommodate a metric where all data is worth 1 for compressed image. So the next is flow path. The function of this part is to start the count of time. And then in the fifth part, we're using run-length encoding algorithm. So the first loop is if the channel variable equals start from 1 to the n underscore channel element, then there is another loop in it, namely y equal 1 colon h. The meaning is starting from element 1 until the h is met. And then there is initialization, compress y and x, and etc. And then there is another loop for x equal 2 colon width, which start from the second element until the width is met, and then initialization again. After that, there is a condition if last pixel equal current pixel. So the meaning that is the last pixel equal the pixel that is being calculated now. The math variable will be added by 1. If the math variable is equal to number 256, so 256 is the threshold. Then the compressed variable, which contains 3 parameters, is initialized to be a math variable. And the compressed variable with parameter x plus 1 is initialized to last pixel variable. As long as the calculate element value is 256, then the loop continues. If not, then end. If pixel is not equal to current pixel, then else will be executed. In the SIG part, we convert compressed data to 8-bit integer. The meaning is to convert the string to an integer number. The 7th part is save compressed result. So, to call the compressed variable by displaying the image encoding BMP format. And the last part is end count time. We use command talk to stop the timer.